Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Know your iPhone model and iOS version, and make sure you have enough storage. Once done, immediately stop creating or syncing new large files so deleted data isn't overwritten. Next, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and confirm that Notes is toggled on or off. This determines recovery paths. If Notes was synced, you will use iCloud Recovery. If not, you'll try on-device or iTunes/Finder backups. Make that decision now and move to the correct path. If iCloud was enabled, go to iCloud. On a browser, sign in and open Notes. Check the recently deleted folder and recover items. Select multiple, then click Recover. If iCloud was off, open the Notes app on your iPhone, tap Folders, then Recently Deleted, and restore Notes within 30 days. If the folder is empty or time-limited, connect your iPhone to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to restore from a local backup. Otherwise, consider a reputable data recovery app, following instructions carefully. Once restored, open Notes and verify each recovered item, including attachments and correct folder placement. Make a fresh backup immediately to secure them. If Notes are still missing, check other accounts in Settings, right arrow passwords and accounts. Gmail, Exchange, and other providers can sync Notes. If recovery failed, stop using the device to prevent overwrite and try restoring a different backup or consult Apple support. Explain steps you tried and provide backup timestamps. This increases chances they can assist with advanced recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.